Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my third video. Now, you're wondering, what's all this stuff? It's clothes. Open your eyes, come on. But you're wondering, why all these clothes? So I just got back from Canada. I'll explain why in a much later video, hopefully, maybe, fingers crossed. And I had to do laundry, because I don't like to, I had to do laundry, I like to wash my clothes after I traveled. You don't know what you've picked up, especially in the hotel rooms. And I thought to myself, why only wash the things I traveled with when I can wash everything in my closet and start fresh? So that's what I did. I dropped it off at my local laundromat, support small businesses, or money laundering schemes, I don't know. And I'm gonna go through each piece of item that I have, and I'm going to determine if I wanna keep them or give them away. I do tend to give away a lot of clothes. I don't buy a lot of clothes, I just have a lot of clothes that I've accumulated through the years. And I tend to give stuff to friends or to, like the Salvation Army or Goodwill, or I give them to thrift shops. So I'm going to do that. Let's get started. Okay, hear me out. This dress was given to me. It's cute. It's cute. It just needs a little bit of work. So these are the sleeves. I did put it through the wash and it deteriorated the dress. So, but I'm thinking, right? We pad it up a little bit. We make it sleeveless. Bam! Woo! This is a cute little cocktail dress, right? A little holiday situation. A little New Year's. I don't care what you say, I'm keeping this one. Cinch the waist a little bit more, I'm gonna figure out how to make it work, and then I'm gonna wear it. Maybe just one time. Maybe find some gloves to match with it. Ooh! Yeah. And what about it? Anyway, sorry. I'm keeping, this is a keep. Say what you want, but this is a keep. Alright, so I actually really love this dress. It's not zipped up all the way. But I love this dress, and I refuse to give it away. I don't know where I would wear it. Probably a dinner, a fancy cute little dinner, or second option, turn it into a set. A little mini situation, cut it here, make a little skirt, and then have a little crop. And then that way I can wear it on a day-to-day basis, a little more casually. Where would I wear this casually to? That's for me to know and figure out. But she's so cute, she's so delicate, she's so petite, This is a keep. This is so cute. I do need to fix the sleeves, but you can't see it, so what do I care? But yeah. Now this one is a little confusing because she is long sleeve, she is a sweater dress, and she is mini. You can see my birthmark, and that's how I know it's mini. Also, my parents would not approve, and that's also how I know it's mini. But with some stockings and some cute little booties, this is a hard yes, obviously. I just got this too. Not just got this, but I got this, I'm sure, sometime this year. My legs are ashy. Let's not focus on that. Okay, these pants are very high-waisted. They're very shiny. Just look. What is that? Who made these pants? But yeah, no. I should keep these, shouldn't I? And just a little tailoring. I'm gonna keep these. Oh! I'm gonna go through my obvious yeses. Yes. Listen to me. These pants I got 2 years ago from Aritzia. I had never heard of Aritzia before in my life, and I spent $500 on 6 pieces of items. So this is a yes. Okay. Obviously. Obviously. Yeah. And this one right here, this one is a for show you right on. This, yeah, for show you right on. If I ever gain weight and these pants don't fit anymore, I'm gonna be heartbroken. This one is a yes, but I feel like it looks a little boring. But when you have a little funky top, you know, this is an 80s, a 70s, a 60s if you want it to be. I don't know. This is cute. This is a fit, you know? These are the second Aritzia pair of pants that I got with that $500 purchase. So this is a yes. It's giving business casual, and I have nowhere to wear this half the time. Maybe to church. We're entering into jeans. Jeans and I have beef low-key because I don't think jeans ever really look good on me unless they're excessively baggy, and even then I look a little odd because there's not much going on back here. So it's like ooh, looks good from the front and then just like in the back. I got these this year. I feel like earlier in the video I said I don't buy clothes. I bought these because I wasn't buying clothes at all this year. And I got these from Target. And I was like, ooh, a high waist pair of pants, love, not skinny, a straight cut, a couple of rips. It's cute. What I hate, this needs to be a zipper. Also, this is a little it's a little odd. I feel like why, if the design is for it to look like folded over, like a folded over waist, why are the belt loops over it? You know? I feel like it should be no belt loops. Am I wrong? I'm keeping this just cause I bought them this year. I think I just don't know how to throw clothes away. Cause so far I've said yes to everything. So these are probably my favorite pair of jeans. I wear these all the time. They've got a funky little waist. When I bought them, the image on the model was like this. And I think that's absolutely ridiculous because what is this? This is this curse stain. So I just, you know, interchange the little buttons and it gives it a nice little V. Or alternatively, how I actually wear it all the time is like this. You know? Just a little backwards action. Pockets in the front and the back. Big pockets in the front. But then in the back, you know, a cute little detail. I love mom jeans on other people, but I think they're a little funky on me. Okay, I think this might be my first snow. All right. We did it, y'all. We found our first snow. Unless, give me a second. I just had an idea. I'm probably going to hate it, but bear with me. We lift our hands in the sanctuary. We lift our hands to give you. Yeah. Are they like way too baggy for me? Of course. But they work because of the bagginess. Like, I feel like this is like giving playground LA core. Like if I walked up to a class and started like, you know, I would fit right in because of the pants. So this is a yes. Also a pair of mom jeans-ish, kinda, right? Just baggier. It's a no. I don't think I can wear jeans.